We're back at the same park. We found the 6 rings, as you can see here. These are the rings we found here. So we're going to see if we can find a 7th ring today. I have not covered over in this area over here. This camera, I got to really raise up to see it, but we haven't covered over this. We did 3 swings over from the sidewalk right there. So we're going to go over in this area right here now. Go down and we're going to grid it. You can see there's a flag right here. Where's that flag? Everything's really small. Right there. So this was the Bugs Bunny Warner Brothers ring that I found, and that was over here. And that was about probably 3 or 4 inches down. It's 925 silver. We also over in that area found this bling bling one here. I think it's made out of aluminum, so not worth a whole lot. This one here, stainless steel, we found one swing out. I think it's 1 or 2 swings out by those 2 trees right over here. So if you can see the 2 trees over here, we found that close to the sidewalk, as well as the bling bling ring here. That was also found over there too. I thought that was a penny actually, and it came up as a ring. That was pretty cool. You've probably seen the video on that. I think we were two swings out from the sidewalk here, and we found this little baby ring. It's silver too, 925 turquoise, and that was close to where the other rings were. This ring and also the stainless steel ring. And lastly, this stainless steel one, I found that at the tot lot over here. There's actually a tot lot on the other side of the fire station over here, and found that over there. It was probably an inch or 2 down is all. So those are the 6 rings we found so far. We're trying to go for the 7th, so stick around. Let's see if we can do it. And I've already set up the detector. Today I'm going to try to cover quite a bit of territories. So I decided not to run the small coil because we're out here more out in the grass area more, so there's less trash. So I'm going to run the Equinox coil, actually the 11-inch. So this is like 1 inch less this way, but it covers a 10% more area, and it should go 10% deeper because it's bigger in surface area. It is heavier though. Wow, I can feel the difference. I'm spoiled with that little 6-inch sniper coil. Today we're running Park 2 all metal mode. I did notch it up to -4, so that's notched back in. So we'll hear some good targets there. And also, let's see, the balance, what do you call it, separation is at 3, but I may change that because depending on how much garbage is out here. And back here, we already balanced it, and we're at 2 for the ground balance. I have it on auto track, so that's my preferred way of doing it. Full volume, no threshold, all tones. I know I've covered this area before. You can hear that metal. I got the metal up pretty high. I think it's at 25 for the iron. There's an 8, 6. I have not played with the tracking on this, how accurate it is. It says right there. It says it's 6 inches down. It's still in the low numbers, but it's down deep. Okay. So let's see what we get here. First target of the day. It's in the plug. Old guys like me can make noises, you guys, so I don't know if you young guys make noises when you get out of bed in the morning, but us old guys do sometimes. New batteries in the pinpointer. There's a big old worm there. Wow, you're huge. Okay, so it's right in there. Let's see if I can kind of get, oh, there it is right there. Some foil. That was it. Ringing up as 5. Okay. So first junky target. Let's get some of this out of here. So this plug will go in a little better when I put it back in. That's a little trick. you can do to keep your plugs from sitting up too high so the lawnmower don't catch it. And it makes it look like you haven't really been there. I love the shovel. Alright. And we're still on 3 separation, so I think that's going to stay there. There's so much foil. Let's try a high number here. Here we go. There's an 80. Let's see how good this thing works. Alright, so head and toe. There's toes right here. I think that's toe, or is that heel? I forget. But in between the two. So it should be like right there. And it says it's not a big target, and it's also on the meter, it's 4 inches down. Let's see that pinpointer. I'm still wondering how accurate this coil is compared to the XTerra. I was having problems with it tracking, centering the target on the XTerra with the 12x9. Nope, it's too far down, it's not going to pick it up. That rings up. I had a silver ring that high before, a couple of them actually. I've got a couple silver rings, and that's possible, but it could be a coin. What do you guys think it might be? Definitely in here. Okay, what do you guys think? Oh, it came out of the hole here. It's right here. Up there it is. If you guys thought it was a dime, that's what I was thinking. A dime. And I have something to show you guys. I have an update on a nickel I got here recently. I just threw it in my pouch thinking, it's just a stupid nickel. It's a much older nickel than I thought. And sometimes you just can't see. Usually silver dimes are nice and shiny and stuff. So this is probably a modern dime. Let's check again here, make sure nothing's in here. I think that was it. Don't you love it when you get a target and you put it all back together and then it has another coin in it? So sometimes it's better to do that. Check it. Hey, by the way, I did look what I made today actually. I bought this on Amazon, and I also got the wood at Lowe's. Was gonna make like a door pull, but they weren't big enough. I still got to round it off yet, but that's something that's going to be kind of cool to use. I haven't needed it yet. Everything's deeper today. Okay. So we did a dime there. That was awesome. First coin of the day. There's a 9. I'm going to dig some of these later on. I might not dig so many. But it's by the tree here, so... Right here. It says it's 4 inches. That's about right. Okay, it says it's right here. So how accurate is that? Garrett's not helping me. Come on, Garrett. Kind of wants to pick it up, but not really. Right there. I'm gonna go for there. Let's see if we can find it here. I got the 2 cameras rolling today. One on my hat cam and one on my chest. So we'll probably be going back and forth. This one here is the chest one. The one up here is the other head cam. And the same brand, just one's a little newer than the other. Oh, it's in the plug. Alright. It was a 1, so it's got to probably might be foil, could be a ring. I don't know what is the ratio to foil to ring. Has anybody figured that out yet? So this is when I probably could have used my little thing here. Oops, wrong one. It's over here. This is my coin probe, but it's not a coin, so it ain't gonna help you much on the foil. You're gonna have to suffer and dig through it and figure out where it's at here. it's down here. Okay, fell out of the thing. Oh, it's right here. Looks like another piece of crunched up foil here. Yep, really small piece. Wow, that's pretty small. It's picking it up pretty good. Reading a 9. That was our target. Alright. Let's try to... This grass is a little crumbly. We did have some rain, so it's not as bad as it was before. But sometimes under the trees it's really bad because the tree leaves kind of block all the rain. In the summer, it's gotta be worse. Of course, when you're metal detecting, you want moisture because that actually helps you find the target. It just helps it read through the soil better. Hey, there's another 80 over here. And that says it's on the surface, so that we will use the Garrett and not dig a hole with the big shovel. Boy, I got too many things in my pocket here. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna grab. Right there. Now I'm gonna try the probe here. Right here. I think. Let's see here. I put my little cable back on that. See, what else can read up as an 80? A copper penny, maybe? Silver ring? It might be a little deeper than I thought it was. It's still saying it's down deeper, so we're going to have to use this here. Let's see if we can find it here. It says it's over here a little bit more. Alright, maybe I missed. Oh, there it is right there. Another dime. Same kind of color as the other one. No, nothing silver. So, the sun is going down here. And we got, trying to figure if there's a date on here. These dimes, man, they're so small. I wear glasses, so we know it's not silver. But we'll put it all back together here. I think that was it. Yep. Alright, 2 dimes. Not bad. I don't know, were they back to back? No, we had some foil on there, didn't we? It was deeper than this could pick it up, so. They say that brass doesn't damage the coin. You know, it's funny, I could have sworn I checked over here too, by the tree. I always try to hit that tree over there. I hit that one. But we might hit it again.